Hi, everybody. Welcome to PE. My name is Rachel Bird. I'll be your instructor this trimester. I just wanted to give you a few bits of information that might help you get started in PE. This is a class where most of the work will be done on your own, but we will have weekly Class Connect sessions where we will cover some content information as well as answer any questions that you guys have. So be sure that you're visiting the class weekly. Be sure that you're logging in, filling out your logs, turning them in weekly, because you won't be able to catch up in everything during the last week of class or anything like that. So make sure that you're staying on top of things. This is a class you want to be working on throughout the trimester and not saving for the very end. A few things I want you to make sure you do is read the announcements in the class. Look through the course materials section that will have all of the information you need, the syllabus, teacher contact information, everything you need in order to be able to contact me. Also, our first Class Connect session together, which is really important to come to, is next Wednesday, the 13th at 11 a.m. We will have Class Connect sessions every Wednesday at 11 a.m. after that, so make sure that you have those on your schedule. They will show up in your Class Connect schedule for you. Especially the first week, we will go over how to turn in assignments, how to find the assignments, what kind of exercise you should be doing, and basically how to get going in the class and how to be successful. So please do your best to be there. If for some really good reason you can't be there, please watch the recording. I will post all of the recording links under the course materials section in the class. If you don't know how to find that, I encourage you to just click around, explore. You cannot break the class by clicking too many things. So if you're new to Insight, just spend as much time as you can in the online school, and you will feel a lot more comfortable with it really quickly. A few other things. Basically, in PE, you will have daily check-ins where you answer a quick question whether you worked out or not today. You'll have weekly fitness logs that you turn in every Friday, and then you'll also have a pre-assessment and a post-assessment, and those are just your basic fitness test, which I will post some videos and some different instructions on how to do that in the announcement section in the PE course, so check that. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to get started. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions, and I will see you next Wednesday at 11 a.m.